Once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter.
I am very tired. I want to go home. Oh, my axe has dropped.
Which axe is yours? Golden axe or silver axe?
No, my axe is normal axe.
Is this your axe?
Yes, this is my axe.
You are an honest person. Keep all the axe with you.
Thank you.
How you became a rich man? I get this golden axe from the pond. Okay, bye. Bye.
When friend listened these words, he went to the pond.
Now I will become a rich man.
Which axe is yours? The golden axe or silver axe?
My axe is golden axe.
You are a great person. You won't get any axe. Moral of the story: great person cannot get any axe. Thank you.